Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the 5 best mini PCs of 2025, the most powerful, compact, and future-ready machines you can buy right now. Let's jump straight into it. Number 5. Lenovo ThinkCentre M625 Budget King. If you're looking for the most affordable way to join the mini PC world, the ThinkCentre M625 is the perfect entry point. It's compact, energy efficient, and ideal for web browsing, office tasks, streaming, and home use. For under $300, you get solid performance, Lenovo reliability, and a machine that simply gets the job done without noise, heat, or headaches. It's not designed for heavy workloads, but as a starter mini PC, it's unbeatable for the price. Number 4. Lenovo ThinkCentre Neo Q500 Business Powerhouse. Next up is the Neo Q500, the business mini PC that companies love. It's built for reliability, security, and long-term office use. If you're running spreadsheets, multiple monitors, Zoom sessions, and day-to-day productivity tasks, this system is incredibly stable. It has excellent thermals, modern port selection, and the classic Lenovo build quality that lasts for years. For under $900, this is one of the most dependable office mini PCs in 2025. Number 3. Lenovo Mini Desktop 2025 10-core Intel i7 Monster. Now we're entering serious performance territory. Lenovo's 2025 mini desktop with a 10-core Intel i7 is a beast in a tiny body. Video editing? Yes. AI workloads? Heavy multitasking? Absolutely. This machine is perfect for creators, students, and professionals who want top-tier performance but don't want a big desktop tower. With modern Wi-Fi, great connectivity, and impressive power efficiency, this is one of the smartest buys of 2025. Number 2. Intel NUC13 Pro Kit, flagship masterpiece. The Intel NUC series is legendary, and the 2025 NUC13 Pro continues the tradition. This mini PC delivers flagship-level performance in one of the smallest designs on the market. If you want a compact device that can handle 4K editing, software development, virtualization, and AI tools, this is a top choice. The build quality is premium, thermals are exceptional, and the upgrade options make it future-proof. This is the mini PC that tech enthusiasts love for a reason. Number 1. GEEKOM IT15 AI Mini PC. Best overall in 2025. And at number 1, we have the GEEKOM IT15 AI Mini PC, the best value and performance combo of the year. This machine is engineered for the AI era. With powerful internals, massive memory options, ultra-fast storage, and incredible multitasking performance. Whether you're running AI tools, editing videos, coding, gaming, or doing creative work, the IT15 delivers smooth, powerful performance without breaking a sweat. With a 4.6-star rating, modern cooling, and excellent build quality, this is the mini PC most people should buy in 2025. Final thoughts. Mini PCs have come a long way. Whether you need a budget system, a productivity machine, or a compact AI workstation, 2025 has something for everyone. If you enjoyed the countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps the channel grow and brings you more tech content every week.